This is GSM auto dialer for factories and industries. Let me insert the SIM card first. This is a micro SIM card which is having SMS and calling facility. Close the lid. This is USB operated power device, 5 volts to amps. It takes approximately 30 seconds to boot up. This comes with number of remotes as per your requirement. Now it is searching for signal. Now the signal is available. To register any mobile number to this auto dialer, we need to send a comment message saying add my number. Like this, all the letters should be in capital and no spaces. We have to send it to the number present inside this auto dialer. Okay, the number has been registered. Now, in a factory location, if someone presses the remote, for example, remote number 1 from production area, we get a alert message. Okay, the location and employee ID or employee name, and we get a missed call. And same way, another location, different ID, and we get a missed call. And we can send the alert signal from the device itself. We got a message, and missed call. And also we can add Siren for local emergency alerts. And this button is to reset. If once I press the make the siren on, I'll reset it immediately. Thank you.